Bowling Green, Warren County Regional Airport, Bowling Green, Kentucky. Automated weather observation 2012 Zulu. Wind 210 at 13. Peak gusts 20. Visibility 10.
Alright.
Sky condition clear. Temperature.
So traffic there 498 Charlie Pop, 4 miles out inbound, runway 3.
This runway is 210. That's exactly the direction. The wind is coming straight down the runway. Gusting 20, which is fine as long as it's coming at us.
Right.
And it's only when things go across the runway where it's like, okay, I would not even be trying to land there. So the only thing this, a particular consideration about landing when you have a lot of headwind is you want to land a little faster than you normally would. You want a little bit of extra power so that if that wind kind of gives a little bit, you're not already at a deficit of your airspeed. Right. You know what I'm saying? So you'll come in like there's 30 degrees of flaps possible. 10, 20, 30. Typically you put in 30 degrees when you land. In conditions like this, I might be trying to put in two notches of flaps to just allow more, like, I'll have to consider all that, in the approach. But it's all good. And also, if anything doesn't feel right, I go around. It's called a go around. Like if I come down and I'm like, I bounce it a little bit, or just, I don't know, something's wonky, I just don't like the way I came in, my airspeed's not right, for any reason. I will say, I'm going around, put the throttle back in, go back around the block, do it again, and there's no shame in that game at all. It's actually, a safe thing to do.
Yeah. So,
there's never a point where you just feel like, I've got to get this on the ground, Either everything's working out nice, you feel confident, you feel good, put it down. If you don't, don't push your luck. So if we get up there, the wind's not quite as reported, there's actually more of a crosswind than I like, or I don't know, whatever. We have no agenda, right? So that's the other thing about the pilot attitude thing is like just not having what they call get-there-itis. Like where you become so hyper-focused on a goal that you just kind of lose forest for the trees with all the safety considerations.
Right.
Like we don't have to do shit. So I operate that way. I think we'll be totally good, but... So we're about 25 miles out. When we get to about 10 miles out, I'll start announcing myself and saying, coming in, I'm at this altitude now, and we're looking to land on this runway. Here's how we're entering the landing pattern. And then I'll be progressively announcing us as we get closer and closer. So people are aware, because like I said, it's not a towered airport.
Right.
Traffic, Caravan 5 approach, turning about a 5-mile final for 18 Tullahoma.
That was Tullahoma traffic, not our concern. So we're going to go ahead and start our descent. We're 18 miles out. We're going to pull some power. Got the carb heat in already. The pattern altitude is, stand by. feet.
That's where you're supposed to be at when you come in?
Yeah, into the actual pattern. We've got a good bit of altitude to lose, so we're just going to go ahead and just kind of get on that, and we're going to slow down. We've got plenty of time. We haven't even made our first call yet. I'm just getting way ahead of the game.
Yeah. So
that I don't have to put you into some crazy, like, and now we're going to descend.
No, I don't. I feel pretty comfortable.
Yeah, good. I mean, it's super chill, right? Like,
yeah.
There's a lot of times where it's not. Where you're just like, this. You hear that? Right down the runway.
What was that?
They were asking about the wind. And somebody said, right down the runway. Good news. Alright, we do have a descent checklist, which it is planned. Power is required.
Traffic. Warrior 8465 Foxtrot is 10 miles to the southeast. In for runway 21.
Just like them both.
Madison.
good. Lights, switches, everything's good. Gauges are in the green. Everything's good. Pull a little bit more power back. Just gonna slow it down. Since we're in a descent, we're just pulling ourselves through the descent a little bit. We got a pretty healthy descent going on right now. About 700 feet a minute, 800 feet a minute.
Where's good to have lunch?
I mean, I look around, there's like a couple, there's some places that are a 5-minute walk. Nothing exciting.
Yeah.
And boarding green 0636 Charlie, now taxiing runway 3012, clear up runway 321, boarding green.
So the other thing is that just because I can see these targets, that just means that they have ADS-B out, but like older planes, there's not even a requirement that they have a radio for an airport like this.
Got it.
So you can have people flying in God knows whatever, so you always have to be really vigilant and look around. We're about down to 3,000. That's
and
nice.
boarding green 0636 Charlie, clear up all runways, boarding green.
Bowling Green traffic, 806 Hotel Alpha, base to final, runway 21, touch and go, Bowling Green.
Bowling Green traffic, Skyhawk 5880 Echo, about 10 miles to the south, going to be entering a 45 downwind entry for runway 21, Bowling Green traffic.
Green traffic, bearing 498 Charlie Pops, 10 miles out, final, runway 21, Bowling Green. Bowling Green traffic, 806 Hotel Alpha is departing the pattern to the east, southeast.
Bowling Green traffic, Skyhawk 5880 Echo, it's 5 miles to the southeast, inbound for the 45, runway 21, Bowling Green traffic. We're at about 2,000.
Roger that.
We're looking for traffic, it's kind of departing that way or something. I really
Bowling Green traffic, bearing 498 Charlie Pops, 5 miles out for final runway 21 Bowling Green.
Spot him. See if we can spot him.
Oh, he's about to land there?
No, he's leaving, he's going that way. He should be, there he is.
Yeah.
Got him. All right. Everything's look good.
Springfield traffic, Hawk 178 Fox Victor entering the pattern of the downwind leg for 22 Springfield.
Bowling Green traffic, Skyhawk 5880 Echo, about to enter the 45 downwind entry for runway 21, Bowling Green traffic.
498 Charlie Pops, we're about 4 mile final, runway 21 Bowling Green, full stop.
Would you want us to extend for you since we're just now entering the downwind?
If you can, watch for us, we're on the approach right now, so that'd be great, thanks.
All right, we'll look out for you, 80 Echo.
So you're going to go around there and then come back?
Yeah, so there's somebody coming in this way already on a long final. So I'm waiting for him. I want to spot him and see him hit the runway here, ideally. I'm looking for traffic that's a couple miles out this way that we're kind of extending our downwind for. Bowling Green traffic, Skyhawk 5880 Echo, midfield downwind, runway 21. Left downwind, runway 21. Bowling Green traffic.
Bowling Green traffic, bearing 498 Charlie Pops, short final, runway 21, full stop.
So I'm looking for a plane with short final. Where is he? No. Where is he? Slow us down a little bit here. About him yet?
I don't see anybody.
Springfield traffic, Skyhawk 1 tonight, Fox Victor, turning left base, runway 22, Springfield.
There he is. Okay. Alright, go to starbase. Following your traffic, Skyhawk 5880 Echo, left base for runway 21. Following your traffic. Alright.
Springfield traffic, Skyhawk 1 tonight, Fox Victor, turning left final, runway 22, full stop to Springfield.
Good. Go second notch. Gas, undercarriage, mixture, props, seatbelt switches. Your seatbelt set and everything?
Yeah.
Alright. 70 knots. Alright, turn final. Final's clear. Following your traffic, Skyhawk 5880 Echo. Final, runway 21. Following your traffic. Definitely got a lot of speed. We're going to have to bleed off here. I'll go pull a bunch of power. And we'll probably go ahead and give us another third notch of flaps. Folks. So, plenty of speed. Too much. Good third notch.
Springfield traffic, all green traffic, parent 498 Charlie Pop, clear runway 21.
You're 8.5 miles to the south, maneuvering through 45 left downwind, runway 22. Springfield traffic.
Definitely carrying some extra speed here for this headwind. Definitely is right down the runway.
You can just feel it in your controls.
Yeah. I'll straighten out the nose here if we need to. A little bit of left rudder. Get longitudinally aligned. Some power here. Over the numbers is just the right speed cushion. Level it out here. Off the speed. All good.
Hey, you're good at landing.
Well, if I was better, I would have gotten off there. Don't worry about that wheel shimmy vibe.
Traffic number 80327, 10 miles north inbound for close traffic, Springfield.
You're cool, dude.